Time now to get you some sporting updates as well. Well, Ahmedabad's Narendra Modi Stadium is all set to host the final of the 2026 T20 World Cup on Sunday. India and New Zealand will face each other in the final. Let's take a look at the stadium's T20 record and India's performance in this special report.
Ahmedabad's Narendra Modi Stadium is all set to host the T20 World Cup final between India and New Zealand. With the capacity of 132,000, this is the largest cricket stadium in the world. India is going to play its third match in T20 World Cup. They won their group match against Netherlands in this stadium but lost their Super 8 match against South Africa. India will be playing its second ICC final in this stadium. They lost the 2023 ODI World Cup final here against Australia. If we talk about T20 cricket, India has played 10 T20 matches here. They have won 7 and lost 3. If we talk about the total T20 matches played in this stadium, then a total of 14 matches have been played here. Teams batting first have won 8 out of them, and teams batting second have won 5. One match was tied, that famous double super over match between South Africa and Afghanistan. If we talk about New Zealand, then New Zealand has played 2 T20 matches here and they have lost both of them. South Africa defeated New Zealand by 7 wickets in this World Cup when New Zealand played here last. In this World Cup, total 6 matches have been played at this venue. Teams batting first have won 3 and teams batting second have won 2. If we talk about the highest score in this World Cup, then South Africa's 213 for 4 against Canada has been the highest score in this stadium in this World Cup. And New Zealand has not crossed 200 till now in this World Cup, and we are expecting a high scoring match in the final. An Indian team has crossed 250 twice in their last 3 matches. So we'll have to see how the final pans out and who is going to become this year's T20 World Champion. With camera person SP Dubey, this is Suchitra reporting for DD India in Ahmedabad.
And let's now take you across live to Ahmedabad, where we have Suchitra joining us from there. Good afternoon, Suchitra. If there ever was a match where the entire team India needs to come out all guns blazing, all pistons firing in unison, it's the T20 World Cup final. But will they? It hasn't happened so far in the tournament. Will it happen now?
Yes, good afternoon, Gautam. The match will start at 7 p.m. but you can see behind me, the fans are already coming. The stadium is going to be full this evening. And yes, India is the #1 T20 team in the world. But they will justify that billing only if they win today's match. There is no point in being #1 if you can't defend your T20 title at your home. So this is the most important match for Surya Kumar and company, because after the retirement of Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, they have built this new unit, Abhishek Sharma and Tilak Verma, they have joined the team. This team is batting differently, this team is fielding differently. So today is the day to put their A game on and win this title at home and become the first team to defend the World T20 title. Gautam.
Yes, certainly, Suchitra. Now, even in the case of New Zealand, they've not looked solid in all departments. What could India look to exploit?
If you talk about New Zealand, India's game has been entertainment. And if you talk about New Zealand, they are too dependent on their openers. So, Tim Seifert and Finn Allen, they are contributing most in New Zealand's victories. If India can take some early wicket, then it can be a very dangerous spot for New Zealand, because they are very reliant on their openers. And I have some fans with me here who want to talk about the match, and fans have come all the way from US, from Bangalore and from Mumbai. So a mixed crowd, I can say. What do you have to say about the match? Who's going to win?
India is definitely going to win. You know, we were here in 2023 World Cup final, got disappointed versus Australia, but today we're going to win and take the trophy back and be the champions that we're all waiting for.
Any particular players? What is your expectation from today's match?
We're going to win. We have got a great team and a lot of lovely players. Sanju, Abhishek, Tilak, Surya, all good.
And how do you see the experience? You know, people are coming from different cities to watch and support India. So how do you rate this experience of cricket uniting all?
It's like dream coming like true, and we are from Mumbai and really excited and looking forward that we'll take the cup today.
And what is the expectation from today's match? What kind of match you want to see?
We're winning. That's all I can say, because the last time we had our match against Australia in 2023, I cried all night. But this time I ain't crying all night, fam. I ain't crying all night.
So Gautam, you can see the fans have come from Mumbai, from Bangalore and from US to support India, and this stadium has a capacity of 132,000. So that more than 1 lakh Indian fans, they are going to be 12th man for India, and with their support, we can just hope that India will defend its World T20 title. Gautam.
Yeah, I can already see you're struggling with the noise around you, Suchitra, but it's nothing compared to how it's going to be later on in the evening. But just tell us before I let you go as to how critical will the toss be, winning the toss for either team, and will dew be a factor tonight?
Gautam, in the last two matches against Netherlands and against South Africa, dew was not a factor, and the center pitch is going to be used for today's match. It's going to be a mix of red soil and black soil, so it's expected to be somewhat like a Wankhede pitch. So we are expecting a high-scoring match in the finals. That 2023 World Cup final that we lost, it was played on black soil, and the only match on this center pitch played in this World Cup has been the Canada-South Africa match, and South Africa scored 213 in that match. That is the top score in this tournament so far. So if we can say that any team that wants to become a champion, they have to be ready to put up a big total if they bat first, or chase any total if they chase. An Indian team, they have the capability. You know, they have crossed 250 twice in their last 3 matches. They have power hitters. So if they'll be batting first, they can score 250 again. And if they are chasing, then no score is safe if the Indian batsmen, they can find their rhythm. Gautam.
Yes, that is a big if, and that is an if that we are hoping will come true. Thanks a lot for joining us for the moment, and the fans also who joined you, Suchitra, from Ahmedabad.